In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Discover Bank to the Acorns app. First, open up your Acorns app and log into your account. Then next, from your homepage at the top right, click on your profile icon. Now here, click on Settings. Then next, under the Personal Settings section, click on Linked Accounts. Now at the bottom of your screen, click on Link Another Account. So here, of course, look for the Discover Bank and click on it. Lastly, sign in with your Discover Online Banking username and password. Just follow the verification steps, then choose which account you want to connect. After that, your bank should then be now linked and Acorns can automatically fund your investments. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!